Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to share app games via WhatsApp. So first you have to open your WhatsApp application and make sure that you're currently using the latest version of your WhatsApp. Now you will notice that if you open your WhatsApp application and you tap a name here and you want to send something, like if you want to send a game or application, something like that, you cannot see that option here because you can only see documents, camera, gallery, audio, and so on. So, what are we going to do if we want to share or if we want to send an app game via WhatsApp? So, you should tap that person's name again and then click this clip icon and then go to document. Now, once you're here, you have to tap this browse docs up here, browse other docs. Tap this one. And then after that, you have to scroll down and look for the name of your device, which is this one. Okay. And look for that specific application that you want to share via WhatsApp. So let's just say I wanted to share my game application. So you have to, or I have to search it right here. But since I cannot find it, all I have to do now is to search APK. And then once you tap this one or search this one, then you can see games. Okay, for example, Candy Crush. I want to send this game application via WhatsApp. So all I have to do is to tap this one and then click the green arrow here. And as you can see, I am now sending a game application to my friend. Now, if this one doesn't work, you have to go to this second method. Okay, you have to open your Google Play Store and search for RAR or RAR and then tap install. But since I have installed this application already, all I have to do is to tap this open. And then here, the same thing, you have to click allow first and look for that game application or that application that you want to send to your friend. But since I cannot find that game application, so let me try to send other application here. Let's just say I want to send this Telegram application to my friend via WhatsApp. All you have to do is to tap this one and then click this three dots at the top right corner. And then you can see an option there that says send. Okay, so you just have to tap send and automatically this file will be sent to your friend via WhatsApp. So as you can see, I am now sending this, tap WhatsApp and send to that specific person. Click this arrow and then send. Now the question is if the file is not there and you only have your application in your menu and it's not in file, you cannot send that to your friend via WhatsApp. All you have to do is you need to create or let's just say backup your file in which you can see it here or in your file manager or on your phone device so that you can share that to your friend because if that application is not here it's very impossible for you to send that application or app game to your friend via WhatsApp. So make sure that you have your backup files and you can see it. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.